How to replace your damaged BMO credit card. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can replace your BMO credit card if it was damaged. So to do that, first of all, launch the BMO mobile banking app on your mobile device and then simply log into your account. Now once you've logged in, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where you'll have to basically tap on the credit card which you'd like to replace or which has been damaged. Now once you've done that, tap on the option manage, and then it'll provide you various options such as lock your card, it's lost or stolen, or it's damaged. So since our card is damaged and we'd like to replace a new one, we'll tap on the option it's damaged, and then it'll simply ask you to enter your address over here. Now once you're done with your address, tap on the option replace card, and just like that you will have successfully ordered a replacement card for your BMO credit card. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.